Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of the One Motorhome. This is the channel where we try to find the perfect layout, the perfect design, and basically the perfect motorhome for you. Today we're going to be demonstrating this beautiful, spacious, luxury two-berth motorhome. This is made from a company called Autotrail, which is actually made here in the UK. This one is an Autotrail Apache 634. Now, it measures around 7 metres in length and around 2.3 metres in width. So it's a really nice, spacious vehicle. There's lots I'm going to show you. As usual, we'll start off on the outside, having a look around, and then we'll go inside, go through the layout, and obviously give you some of the technical details in there. If you haven't already, then do subscribe to the channel. I'm posting videos all the time, lots of different layouts, designs, and we've got lots of different models as well. And also, if you've got any questions, do leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And of course, if you do like the footage, then give me a thumbs up. Let's go. So here we go, starting at the front. You've got a Fiat Ducato chassis. This one's a 2.3 turbo diesel. This particular model is a 2018 and it's in this gorgeous colour scheme. Autotrail often use this colour scheme and it looks fantastic, doesn't it? In the cab, you've got cab aircon, cruise control, lots of bits which I'll show you when we go inside. Obviously, this is the habitation door to gain entrance. You've got an electric step just down the bottom there, and you've also got a big canopy running along the top. That's built into the vehicle, which makes it nice and streamlined. And it just doesn't stick out like a sore thumb, does it? So it makes it look a lot nicer, I have to say. Just on the sides here, you'll notice we've got lots of big windows on this vehicle. And when we go inside, you'll get a good look at that. This is a vent for the heating system. And on the side, we've got an external barbecue point. So as you guys probably well aware, you can plug in a gas barbecue out here. And I often like to sit outside with the awning out, table and chairs out here, gas barbecue going. At the back, we've got plenty of storage on this one. So if you have a look through here, you've got loads in there, and it's actually got heating going through there as well. At the moment, it's got the carpets wrapped up in there because this one is just about to get valeted, but I'll give you the dimensions of that door in just a second on the screen. At the back of the vehicle, we've got these really cool lights going around. It has got a tow bar, which has been added to this vehicle, and behind this cover here, you've got a spare wheel. So as you probably know, most motorhomes these days don't come with a spare wheel, actually. They just come with what they call like a puncture repair kit or a slime kit. But this has actually got a spare wheel tucked behind here. So if you did want a bike rack, you could just pop it on the tow bar at the back. Just above here, we've got a reversing camera. And then as we move around the other side, this is the other entrance to the storage at the rear. You'll notice you've got tie down points in there. And you could get lots of stuff in there. I mean, you can never have too much storage. If you watch my videos, you'll know that I can, well, I'm saying it all the time, but when you're traveling, you do sort of, well, you get lots of stuff, don't you? You acquire things on your travels. This is where you plug into the electricity. So whether you're on the campsite or you're at home. And this is where you fill up your fresh water. So this one, you basically put a hose in and just fill it up as normal. There is a 12-volt point there as well, so you can suck water out of a container into here. But one of the really nice things about this van is you've actually got this here. Let's see if I can open it. There we go. And you can connect a hose pipe to this, so you can have a constant feed of water to your vehicle. So if you're on a campsite or something like that, that is very handy. This is where the toilet cassette lives. So it's got a cassette toilet which pulls out and you wheel it along. But just moving around, let's have a look. What a fantastic looking motorhome. But as usual, guys, the magic happens inside. So let's go inside and have a proper look, shall we? So just before we go inside, I just want to mention Choose Leisure Motorhomes in Canterbury. So a big thank you to them for letting me demonstrate this vehicle today. And if you are interested in this motorhome or any of the other motorhomes on my channel, then do check out www.chooseleisure.co.uk. Also, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel so you get notifications when we're putting new footage up. So as we gain entrance to the vehicle, electric step at the bottom, little bin here, and you've even got an umbrella stand, which is really nice. Also, you have got privacy screens on the habitation door, and you've also got a fly screen. But let's go in and have a look, shall we? So, going into the cab area, just to point out some of the features that it's got. So, multifunctional steering wheel, 6-speed manual gearbox on this one, cruise control, satellite navigation, a DAB radio, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but just at the bottom there, you've got 2 cup holders as well. Really nice to drive these on the Fiat Ducato actually. And you do have concertina cab blinds, so privacy blinds going all the way around here as well. In this vehicle, storage is one of the big things. So if it's a solo traveller or if you're travelling as a couple, you don't want to be short of space, do you? And this vehicle gives you luxury and space and lots of storage. So at the top here, we've got cupboards going all the way around. And obviously both of the seats here do swivel around to make good use of the cab space. And what they've done is they've given you these nice little bits here where you can rest a cup of tea and things like that. And also they've done the same on the other side. And then you've got shelving going up, look. But that's fantastic. Just tucked away down here, this is a fold-away table. So let me see if I can get that. See if I can get it with one hand. There we go. So just to pull it out a little bit so you can see it. That's a fold-away table. And that is designed to either be indoors in the living room or outside underneath your canopy. So it saves you bringing another table with you. Just here we've got big wardrobes. So lots of hanging space. So let's close that up. And then down below, let's have a look in here. Down below we've got some more storage in there as well. So plenty of space to keep your things. As we move around a little bit, as you come in, you've got a nice mirror for getting ready. Check yourself out before you go out. And then just on the top here, this is where your control panel is. So you can see how much water you've got on board. You can also see the solar current, battery charge, all that sort of stuff. But it's really easy to use that actually. This one's got a Truma heating system, so you can control that here. And obviously this is your lights on and off. And this is for your boiler. So very simple to use, which people really like with these. Just going back towards the cab, up the top here, you've got this big skylight. And I'm not sure if the camera's showing you correctly, but the lighting in here is gorgeous. Really, it is. Just to the right-hand side, we've got a nice mirror. And look at this LED strip light running all the way up here. With this coloured wood, it looks really nice. It's very posh. That's the word for it. It's very posh. Inside here, we have the toilet and the shower. Obviously, electric flush toilet. There's a little bit of space for storage. Nice sink. LED lights running all the way up the side of the mirror. Hollywood style. And then in here, we've got some space to keep your belongings. And then to the right, or sorry, to the left, you've got this really nice modern shower. Look at that. And that's a completely separate shower to the toilet. And there is plenty of space in there for you guys as well. As I said, if it's just 2 people or if you're a solo traveller, this van is gorgeous. Look at the floor space in here. Also, you've got a great kitchen. So you've got everything you need to make a nice meal. Big oven, separate grill. On top here, you've got 3 gas burners and an electric hot plate. And then above all of that, we've got a microwave as well. Just below this, it's actually got a little secret compartment. So press that little button like that. You can pull this out and this doubles up. Let me see if I can put it on here for you. This doubles up as a bit of work surface. So if you are getting your food prepped and things like that, then you have got a nice bit of surface to get it all ready. Drawers all the way down. Let's see what we've got in here. Nice bit of cupboard space underneath there as well. And then going round to the back, let's have a look. This is the showstopper, isn't it? Look at that. Huge U-shaped lounge. This can either be used as 2 single beds or a ginormous double bed. And I'll put the dimensions of both the single beds and the double bed on the screen for you now. To make this double bed, all you need to do is pull this out and that will extend, and then the cushions go across. these pillows drop down and you've got this huge bed, which is fantastic. Just above, again, storage space all the way around. They've got a skylight just above here, and you've also got, this is basically an extractor fan or a fan, so it can either suck out the smoke or blow in some cool air whilst you're stationary. LED lights, I mean, look at all these. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? Look at that. It's really a gorgeous motorhome. It really is. In the kitchen, you've got a 3-pin plug here. Obviously, this is where you turn your lights and things on. And again, the lighting's great. And then just round here to the left, this is where you would have your TV. So you can basically put your flat screen TV on here, and you have got a 3-pin plug down there as well. Just below that, you've got your heating system, bit of storage underneath the fridge freezer. And look at this, huge, lots and lots of space. I think I could fill that with beer, no problem at all. And you've also got a freezer box on the top. What do you think, guys? What a fantastic motorhome. Let me just push this out of the way just so you can get a proper view again. So just moving back, let's have a look. Look at that. That is gorgeous. By the way, all the floor is on one level. So you're not going to be tripping over things trying to get up in the night to go to the toilet, or if you've got dogs with you and things like that, they've got plenty of floor space. What a fantastic van. But what I'll do now is go through a few of the extras with you. So look how comfortable this vehicle is. I'm chilled out in the back. You can just kind of picture yourself with your other half sitting here relaxing. You've got these windows all the way around. It's a fantastic van. This particular one is at Choose Leisure Motorhomes in Canterbury, and it's for sale for just $53,995 at the moment. So if you are interested, there is a link to their website in the description below. The extras this one's got on it is awning, cab air conditioning, cruise control, external barbecue point, external shower point, reversing camera, satellite navigation, a solar panel, and a digital TV aerial. Let me know what you think of this in the comments below, guys. And remember, if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. I love showing you around these vans, and I hope you enjoy the demos. The subscriber count's going up and up and up at the moment, so it sounds like you are. I'm going to have lots more demos coming soon, so do keep an eye out on the channel. My name's Jonathan. This is the One Motorhome channel, and basically, I look forward to seeing you soon.